I know what you're thinking, the nose strips, are they worth it or are they not? But let me show you. So this is me with the nose strip. I can breathe as much as I want through my nose and it's not restricted. Notice that my nose is not collapsing inward at all when I breathe in. Now, if I take this off, watch what happens. Let me put it back on just to show you again. It's not a joke. So it looks like it collapses a tiny bit, but it's nothing like how far it would collapse when I'm not wearing the nasal strips. So nasal strips are a win. Definitely try them for yourself.